Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friend, this video explore how language on a WhatsApp function not just as communication but as action through speech act in lecture-student interaction. In academic settings, language is never natural. Every message serves a purpose, giving instruction, requesting, clarification, expressing, appreciation, or maintaining politeness. Even so, WhatsApp is often considered an informal platform. Academic communication on it still follows specific norms. Okay, my friend, in this video, I will explain to you all a journal entitled a speech act in WhatsApp-based interaction between lecturer and student in a public speaking course at Universitas Pamulang by Aini Alfian. This study based on pragmatics, a branch of linguistics that examines how meaning is constructed through language used in context. One of the most important theories in pragmatics is speech act theory, first introduced by G.L. Austin and later developed by John Searle. According to this theory, when people speak, they are not only producing sentence but also performing action such as ordering, requesting, apologizing, or thanking. In academic context, speech act play a crucial role in shaping lecture-student interaction because communication is influenced by institutional roles, authority, and politeness role. The study has two main objectives. First, to identify the types of speech act used in WhatsApp communication between lecturer and student. And the second, to explain the pragmatic function of the speech act in a digital academic environment. This research employs a qualitative descriptive approach. The data consists of authentic WhatsApp chat transcript collected from one lecturer and student enrolled in a public speaking course at Universitas Pamulang. The chats were taken from an official WhatsApp group used for academic communication during one semester. All messages were anonymous to protect participant identities. The answers were then categorized and analyzing news source 10979 classification of speech act. From this journal, I found directive and representative speech act by the lecturer. The finding revealed that directive speech act dominate lecture message. These are used to organize learning activities, deliver instruction, and regulate academic recruitment. For example, please start from the lecture. Please start reading and do your job. This utterance function as a directive speech act because it instruction student to perform an academic task. Meanwhile, statements such as "I have started the e-learning" function as representative speech act providing factual information. Interestingly, lecture often include politeness marks like please and thank you, which help soften authority and maintain respectful interaction. Expressive Speech Act in lecture-student interaction. Expressive speech acts are used to convey emotion and attitudes. For instance, I have like to share my sincere appreciation for your hard work. This utterance express appreciation and encouragement, which is especially important in a public speaking course where motivation and confidence are essential. Students also use expressive speech acts such as "Thank you, Miss Ami." This is reflect gratitude, politeness, and respect toward the lecturer. Okay, desert is indirect speech acts used by students. The study also show that students frequently use indirect speech act, especially when addressing sensitive issues or making requests. This indicates that students are aware of academic hierarchy and tend to employ politeness strategies to avoid frustrating acts even in formal digital communication. The finding confirmed that although WhatsApp is an informal platform, academic norms and pragmatic strategies continue to shape lecturer-student interaction. Language used on WhatsApp reflect institutional roles, power relations, and expectation within higher education. Therefore, WhatsApp provides rich and authentic data for pragmatic analysis. Finally, the conclusion from this journal: lecture predominantly use directive and representative speech act. Students frequently rely on indirect and expressive speech act. Academic norms remain strong in WhatsApp-based communication. This study contributes to research in pragmatic digital discourse and academic communication by showing how speech act function in real-life online interaction. Okay, thank you so much, my friend. See you on the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.